do-over. Yeah, today we got a do-over. Do you know how many times in my that I've seen anything like this in my 42 years on Wall Street where we get an event that kills the market? And then a few days later, it's totally undone? It almost never happens. It occurred after the misery of Liberation Day, and now we just got our second do-over in 1 year. That's right, on Friday, the President of the United States threatened to slap a 100% tariff on Chinese goods. No need to even talk to them. But then yesterday he said, no worries, the relationship was fine. Talks are back on. So the market that plummeted Friday came roaring back today. Dow gaining 588 points, S&P climbing 1.56%, NASDAQ jumping 2.21%. There's just one problem. As tremendous as today's rally was, the market didn't come all the way back, not nearly. And the stocks that did come roaring back were the most speculative ones, the names that I'm most worried about. More on that later. For now, let me break down what happened. On Friday, the president, disturbed by China's move to tighten the supply of rare earth minerals, decided that enough was enough. Dealing with the Chinese, trying to talk with the Chinese, simply doesn't work. Better just to raise the tariffs on China to 100%. It was a calculated bet that China couldn't afford to lose our markets, even though the core issue here is that we can't afford to lose their rare earth minerals. China believes they got the cards. This weekend, we got some numbers that support their view. China's total exports to destinations other than the United States grew nearly 15%, while their exports to the U.S. plunged 27%. Even with that gigantic fall-off, China's total exports in September rose 8%, the highest of the year, which just maybe they're learning to live without us. Normally, I'm not a big believer in statistics from the Chinese Communist Party, but there's no point in lying about these trade numbers because we'll get numbers from their trading partners, too. Maybe it's no coincidence that this weekend, President Trump softened his rhetoric to the point where things sound a lot better. As he posted on Truth Social, quote, don't worry about China. It'll all be fine, end quote. I don't know what the fine really means, frankly, but I'd assume it doesn't include a 100% tariff. Hence today's snapback.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.